From the reports I've gathered from creators in this community, it is obvious that YouTube has intensified their stance against creators that are associated with malicious activities, both within their platform and outside their platform. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the most controversial niche on YouTube today. Now, just imagine a channel with over 1.5 million subscribers being demonetized just because of some basic things that we as creators can easily overlook. I'm going to share some stories of two creators that reached out to me that we discuss at length about what actually happened on their channel, and also how you, even as a creator, how you can also avoid not falling into this trap. So if you're new here, I'm your tech informant. I do share tips on how to become a better creator on this platform. So if you love this kind of content and you would love to be part of the community, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my helpful videos on this channel. Now, the first creator that I would like to talk about is the creator that reached out to me. He wanted me to advise him about switching to another niche on his channel. Now, the first thing I asked him was this, that why are you switching from your current niche to another niche? So he told me that he stopped uploading videos on his channel for like almost a year, and the reason was that something terrible happened on his channel, and then he was shocked and he decided not to continue with that kind of content. Now, he went further to explain that a brand reached out to him and told him about their product that they will love him to share on his channel. So he tried the platform and he saw that it was, at least from his own experience, the platform was genuine. Now, he was convinced that he can share this with his own community. Then what he did was to, take the affiliate link that the platform gave him. He started sharing it on his videos. So after a while, someone called him out on social media. And when this happened, he was surprised. And what was the issue? There's this girl that took school fees, and according to him, he said it was almost up to $1,000, and invested in that platform. And lo and behold, she lost everything on that platform. So this got this creator shocked, and he decided to not to do anything on his channel again. So he now reached out to me, after several months or almost a year, and to ask for what kind of niche that he will get involved in. So this is the first creator. Then the second creator, she's a lady. She reached out to me. She got 2 copyright strikes, and she was she tried to reach out to me to find out what she can do or how she can appeal against YouTube's decision. Before she could reach out to me, YouTube gave her the 3rd copyright strike and deleted her channel. Now, while we're discussing, because definitely I couldn't see the channel because the channel is no longer on YouTube. So we were discussing, and I asked her about the kind of content she was making. She was into the making money online niche. That is, she started her channel about 2 years ago, but nothing was going. And when she heard that, the making money online niche has a very high CPM, she started it and tried it out. So when she was doing it, she discovered that her channel started growing very fast. She grew from about 2,000 subscribers up to 10,000 subscribers within a few months. You get the point. So now when this happened, she was so, everything was working well for her, and suddenly she got the first strike, got the second one, while she was trying to appeal, because from her own perspective, she saw nothing wrong with what she's doing on her channel. So before she could have reached out to me, everything went south. So the lesson here is that when whatever thing you are promoting on your channel, when brands reach out to you, make sure that what you are trying to share with your audience or with your community, that they are all authentic. Now, coming to this 3rd creator, I know most of us would have, I would have seen this lady's channel. this is the channel. Currently, this channel has over 1.5 million views on our channel with over 600 videos. And currently, this channel is not monetized. You can see that this channel has been demonetized. So, and from what I've seen from this channel is getting like, hundreds of thousands of views on a monthly basis, and sometimes millions of views. And this channel is making 5 figures in dollars monthly. So from this her video, she talked about how YouTube removed over 500 videos and suspended her channel and gave her a strike. So currently her channel is demonetized. And I watched the video and really understood where she's coming from. And in the real sense, you see, this making money online niche is the most controversial, if not even the most dangerous niche that you can venture in. And most creators would love to do this because it's something like it's enticing. One, the CPM is very high and the returns are very high, and brands that are into like MLM and other financial schemes, they would like to contact you if you are doing this kind of content and with a lot of financial rewards. So this lady shared her worries and her frustration about YouTube deleting 50 of her videos, over 50 videos, and also demonetizing her channel. So what I came to understand from her kind of content is that most of this making money online kind of content are something that are very, very controversial. This niche, the topics are very, very controversial because I discovered that some brands, some malicious brands, they can just come to you, as an innocent creator that you are. They will tell you that if you can do this and do that, you can make this money or you can see this return. And probably they might just give you a dedicated platform where you can try it and it will work for you. But by the time others spread the news about the platform, you're surprised that at some point they will scam the users on that platform, and you will be maybe like an accomplice to their malicious activity. So for this channel, I believe that some of our audience would have been a victim of the kind of content she creates, because she said that she tried this platform, confirmed that they are working before she shared with her community or her audience. But now when people are being hurt in a way, through your videos or whatever link you share on your channel, they can report you. And I believe that because of the kind of content she has been making, some users would have complained or reported YouTube about the content she made. That would have led to her being demonetized. So I want to get a screenshot from one of the videos that was analyzed. So here you can see that this video violates the community guidelines, and here you can see that it falls under the harmful and dangerous content policy. So I would like to take you to the page on YouTube where YouTube talked in details about this particular policy. So here it says that this policy applies to videos, video descriptions, comments, live stream, and any other YouTube product or feature. So these policies also apply to external links in your content. This can include clickable URLs, verbal directing users to other sites in video, as well as other forms. So I want you to take note of this video description and comments. So now you need to be careful to know the kind of links you share in your description. I'm sure the issue that this channel had fall under this category. Here you can see that content offering cash gifts, get rich quick schemes, or pyramid schemes, sending money without a tangible product in a pyramid structure. So this kind of content YouTube frowns at them. Then while I was discussing with the second creator, we talked at length, and there's a particular channel that we talked about, while we're talking about this make money niche. I called some few channels, and she said she knows some of this channel. Then there's this particular one that we talked about that has this channel is a Nigerian channel. I mean, the owner is a Nigerian, a very young guy. I mean, at that. So his channel was demonetized about, I think, about a year ago. You know, he was into this kind of, you know, getting platforms where you can make more money on the internet. And, you know, sadly, some of these platforms might be dubious or they are scam. And at the end of the day, the channel was deleted. That's a channel with over, at the last time I saw the channel on my feed, the channel has over 200,000 subscribers. But someone said that, I mean, the channel has already grew over 300,000 subscribers. So you can imagine channels with this size of audience, a channel with over 1.5 million subscribers being demonetized and even at the verge of being deleted. So whatever thing you are doing, if brands reach out to you, make sure that these brands are, you know, they are known brands and they are reliable. And you know, it doesn't end there. From time to time, you can also check the links in your videos to be sure that they are still valid. You get the point? Because some platforms, after doing maybe a promotion on their platform, they might just wind up. Or sometimes some malicious buyers will take over the platform and start promoting something else there, while you might think that the platform is still existing. So from time to time, you check the links you share on your channels or on your videos to make sure that they are still valid. Now, coming to this, I mean, this controversial niche, making money, like they swear, I mean, in details. Let me go back to the screenshots. Here you can see that some examples include promoting cash gifts or other pyramid schemes, video that promises you will make $5,000 tomorrow with this plan. So when you're doing anything on your channel and you are promoting something that will involve financial engagement from your audience, you must be careful with that, because if they lose their money and they report you to YouTube, there's every possibility that YouTube can, you know, give you a strike, delete your video, and even in the worst case scenario, delete your channel. So please make sure that when you're engaging with brands that reach out to you, make sure that you are dealing with the right brand. So in subsequent videos, I will also share with you how you can know, because I know immediately you cross over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you start seeing brands reaching out to you. So I'm going to share how you can be, you know, be careful with the kind of, you know, brands that you engage, even when they share links through email, how not to click on those emails until you verify some certain criteria about the brand and even the email they send to you. Do you know anyone that has suffered similar incident, or are you a victim of this clamping down by YouTube on channels that they feel that are associated with malicious activities? So let me know in the comment section, and if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have AdSense issues, you know what to do. You can scan the QR code on the screen to sign up for my AdSense support. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.